Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 10. I hope you are all well and healthy by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Shariful Islam, your biology teacher. Today I want to deliver a lecture on chapter 12, Heredity in Organism and Evolution. In our previous class, from this chapter, we will learn about explain the concept of heredity, describe the content containing the behavior materials of strain through generation, explain the passing of behavior characteristics from generation to generation, explain the transmission of heredity, explain the replication of DNA, and then explain the role of DNA in transferring heredity materials. But today we are discussing about explain the necessity of DNA test, that is called DNA test, and explain the role of a male in determining the gender of an offspring, and last explain the causes and results of genetic disorder. At first, I want to say about DNA test. Throughout the present country, DNA technology and transfer significant of its in the field of medical science, agriculture, fish and animal resources, and in the University of Medicine have introduced a new chapter on creation. In Bangladesh, along with evidence, witness, eyewitness, dependent judiciary system, DNA has opened a new window of ensuring true justice. A specific and particular method of DNA test is called DNA fingerprinting. The name DNA typing or DNA testing is also used. To perform the DNA test, the first requirement is an organic specimen. Bone of a person, teeth, hair, blood, saliva, semen can serve as valuable organic specimen. The profile from the place of occurrence of crime or the profile from the specimen of the victim of a crime is compared with the profile obtained from the blood or organic specimen of a suspect. In this method, DNA is isolated from the sample by a chemical process, and then DNA are cut into pieces by one or more restricted enzyme. Then, through a special method that is called electrophoresis by Agarose, the species of DNA are stored according to the length of different bands. Then active isotope DNA, DNA Pro is hybridized, keeping it on a special nitrocellulose paper and then putting on an X-ray film to determine different visible bands by autoradiograph method. After that, the sample is compared with DNA band, DNA map jake bole, of the victim or suspected person. This method is termed as fingerprint method. Currently, by using polymerase chain reaction (PCR) method, DNA test is done with even a small sample for identification without any error. Our next topics is determination of human sex. In human and other mammals, sex is determined in the same way. In the cells of the human body, the number of chromosomes is 46. That is 23 pairs. Among them, 22 pairs, total number of 44, are autosomes, and the remaining pair is the sex chromosome. Autosome plays role in physiological and embryonic development and the formation of the body of organs or organisms which have no part of determining sex. The two sex chromosomes are marked with capital X and capital Y. They play a significant role in determining sex. In female, in the diploid cell, both sex chromosomes are capital X, that is double capital X. In male, the two chromosomes, one is capital X and the other is capital Y. Both the chromosomes are long in structure and rod shaped, but Y chromosomes is shorter than the X chromosome. At the time of development of egg, meiosis occurs and every egg possesses an X chromosome along with their chromosomes. But in case of a male, at a time of the formation of sperms, half the number of sperms contain an X chromosomes and other half number of sperm contain a Y chromosome. An egg can be fertilized with either type of capital X or capital Y, so a zygote can have both the chromosomes as type capital X or can have on capital X and the other capital Y. The baby which is born having both chromosomes at X, example capital X, double capital X, will be a baby girl, and the baby who is born with one chromosomes of type capital X and the other one of is capital Y will be a baby boy. In determining sex, a mother plays no role because the mother always produces eggs containing only an capital X chromosomes. On the other hand, the father produces sperm having both type of X and Y chromosome. A complete figure is showing the determination of sex. Father contain X and Y chromosome, mother contain XX chromosome, and the random mating with X and Y chromosome, X and X produce XX zygote, and this zygote is produce a baby girl. X from mother, Y from father, this is form XY zygote, and this zygote is responsible for baby boy. The chromosome Y, which is responsible for baby boy, it comes from father chromosome. So baby boy or baby girl are depend only the sperm which is considered as father's chromosome or father's gamete. Dear student, this is our today's last option, genetic disorder. There is many genetic disorder. this disorder is harmful to our daily life. In some genetic disorder, a mutation occurs in gene of sex chromosome. This type of disease are called sex-linked disorder. As the size of Y chromosome is comparatively short and there are less genes on it, in most cases, sex chromosome, which is the responsible for sex-linked disorder, occurs due to the mutation of the X chromosomes. In female, there are two X chromosomes. Even if one X chromosome is affected by mutation, symptoms of genetic disorders are never expressed as the other X chromosomes remain normal. Two X chromosomes in the female are unlikely to have the same type of mutation. So, a female is not usually affected by sex-linked disorder but merely acts as a carrier. The person who is not affected by sex-linked disorder but carries the mutant gene of the sex chromosome or sex-linked disorder is called a carrier. In genes of male, there is only one X chromosome, so they do not act as carrier. Rather, they show the symptom of sex-linked disorders directly if only the X chromosome is affected. Our first genetic disorder is color blind or color blindness. Color blindness is a condition when someone cannot properly identify colors. To identify colors, we have pigments in our optical nerve. If color blinds, the patient is different of color identifying pigment in their optical nerves. If someone lack of a single pigment, then he would not be able to identify it by determined red and green color. This is the universal problem of a color blindness. If lacking more than one pigment beside red and green, the patient cannot differentiate the colors blue and yellow. One man out of 10 is colorblind. In comparison, very few number of women suffer from this problem. Along with heredity, some medicines such as taking hydroxychloroquine of the treatment of rheumatism triggers a slight effect causing color blindness by disintegrating the colors pigment in the eyes. Advice from a registered ophthalmologist can be a solution to cope with the color blindness. This is a figure to identifying a color blindness person. A picture taken from Ishihara chart used to identify red-green color blindness. It is designed in such a way that a color blind man will see the number of 21, whereas a healthy man will see it 74. This is maybe seen in 21. He must be a colorblind person, but a healthy person can see 74. It's called 2174. student, our next disease is thalassemia. Thalassemia is a disease of abnormal state of red blood corpuscles. Because of this disease, red blood cells disintegrate. The patient suffers from anemia. This disease generally passes from generation to generation. In Bangladeshi content, thalassemia is an important hereditary blood problem. It is guessed that every year 7,000 babies are born with thalassemia, and at present the number of patients may be 1 lakh. It is an autosomal recessive disorder, like as when both father and mother are the carrier or both are the patient of thalassemia, only then does it dominance of the offspring. When the marriage is held between maternal and paternal cousins or between close blood related relatives, there is a higher possibility of giving birth to a child with thalassemia. There are 2 types of thalassemia due to type of gene disintegration. Number 1, alpha thalassemia, and number 2, beta thalassemia. First, alpha thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia is caused when alpha globulin production is absent or defective. This type of thalassemia or this type of disease is prevalent in South Asia, the Middle East, China and Africa. In the same way, beta thalassemia is caused when the gene for the production of protein beta globulin is disintegrated. This type of disease is found in the people of Mediterranean region. Some people having African, American or Chinese origin may also suffer from this disease. That is called, that means beta thalassemia. On the basis of the inherited gene, thalassemia is grouped into 2 categories. In case of major thalassemia, the victim baby obtains genes from both the parents, and in case of minor thalassemia, a baby obtains genes either from the father or from the mother. This type of baby does not express any sign of thalassemia but functions as a carrier of thalassemia gene. Red sign thalassemia gene. The gamete of thalassemia gene are small r, healthy gene blue circle, responsible gamete capital R. Mother healthy but silent carrier of thalassemia. Also father healthy but silent carrier of thalassemia. They produce normal gene and also thalassemia gamete, and father produce normal gene or thalassemia gamete. After random mating of this gene produce smaller baby, capital R smaller gene related baby, capital R smaller and capital R. Thalassemia affected child, possibility 1/4. Healthy but carrier to thalassemia child, possibility 2/4. healthy child possibility 1/4. Now, the symptoms of thalassemia. Due to Sharp's thalassemia, the baby may die in womb. Babies born with major thalassemia may suffer from anemia just after birth, up to 1 year of age. What is the treatment of this thalassemia? Thalassemia is treated by transfusing blood at regular intervals and by providing the patient with required medicine. This patient must not eat iron-enriched fruit and medicine, as they may accumulate and causes harm to other baby organ. If the liver is badly affected, other disease or jaundice can be indicated. The patient suffering from major thalassemia face threat of life from age 20 to 30. So student, today we discuss about 3 points about DNA testing, but DNA test, then the role of male determining the gender of an offspring, and last, genetic disorder. In our next class, we will discuss about the rest topics of this chapter, like as concept of evolution, natural theories of evolution, significance of evolution, and then similar and dissimilar feature of the mother and father, what is the difference, and then role of DNA test in our life. So no more today. Stay home, and save your life. Thank you.